Sammy is super excited about this topic. So your website security may be deleting you from Google. In other words, your attempt to block bots may have actually blocked you from Google, and I'm going to show you how to find out. So hi, I'm Kevin Roy, Green Banana SEO, and search is changing fast, and people aren't clicking the 10 blue links first. They're getting answers from AI. So Google isn't just a rank, it's to become the source that AI cites. And on this channel, I'll show you the exact no BS, no buzzword marketing junk that strings you along waiting for answers that never comes. I'm going to show you the systems we use here for us and our clients that get you in Google AI overviews, AI mode, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and more. We cover content architecture, entity signals, schema, and measurement, and anything else that works. These videos are built as frameworks that you could copy so you would leave with a plan, not just ideas. Your quest to eradicate the dreaded bots with CAPTCHAs and things and security measures like that may have inadvertently blocked you for Google for some of your pages. Probably not all of them, but some. Here's a very easy way to check this. So open up Google Search Console. If you don't have it on your site, get it, please. It's free. It's super valuable. And even if you don't understand how to use it, just get it now. Someone else will understand it in your company, and you'll use it down the road. Inside of your Search Console, either look for the Page Indexing tab on the left column of your Google Search Index tab, or just take one important page from your website, not a random blog post, page that's important, your home page, your main service page, product page, location page, pricing page, and paste it into the URL, the inspection bar at the top of Google Search. If you're looking for a few warning signs, some of the things you're going to see is URL is not on Google. It says crawl but currently not indexed. That means that Google saw it but decided not to include it. If it says duplicate, Google has chosen a different canonical site that it thinks is more important. That means that Google thinks some other URL is the real version of that page. And if Google selected that canonical or some weird URL, that's even worse. You don't really need to understand every technical detail. You just need to know this. Your website may look fine in your browser. The Google Search Console tells you what Google thinks about the page, and that's the part that matters. If your important page is not indexed or Google picked the wrong canonical, that page that crawls a problem, and you may need to figure out how to get that page back up. You first ask, does Google actually see the wrong page, or did it see a security page, a blog page, or a read page, or a junk? That's when you bring in your SEO team, your developer, or your security team and say, these are the pages that we're not seeing. Check one important page, see if Google indexed it, see if Google picked the right URL that's canonical. If not, don't guess. Investigate it before you change the content. The other important thing to remember too is if you have a shopping cart, there are pages that are not supposed to be indexed, like checkout page. If you have gated content, those are pages that aren't supposed to be indexed. So you don't have to freak out if your site has pages that aren't indexed, because some of them may be not indexed intentional. But what you want to look for is pages that you want the internet to see, that you want Google to give you credit for, that are not indexed. Those are the things you need to bring to your team and make sure that they get up. Because the more pages that are crawled, the more pages that Google sees, the more pages that are going to get indexed by Google, the more pages that are going to make it on AI. Thank you.